not know beans about. The idiom, not know beans about, is an expression used to describe someone who lacks knowledge or understanding about a particular subject. It implies that the person knows very little or nothing at all about the topic being discussed. The phrase, not know beans about, is often used in a negative context to highlight someone's ignorance or lack of expertise. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of this idiom. 1. John claims to be an expert in cooking, but he doesn't know beans about it. Every dish he prepares turns out to be a disaster. In this example, John is portrayed as someone who pretends to have knowledge and skill in cooking, but in reality, he lacks any expertise in the field. 2. Sarah was asked to fix the computer, but she doesn't know beans about technology. She couldn't even figure out how to turn it on. Here, Sarah is shown to have little to no understanding of technology, making her unable to perform even basic tasks related to computers. 3. The new intern doesn't know beans about the company's history. When asked about its origins, she couldn't provide any details. In this instance, the intern is depicted as lacking knowledge about the company's background, indicating that she is unfamiliar with its history. Overall, the idiom, not know beans about, is a colorful way to express someone's lack of knowledge or understanding about a particular subject. It adds emphasis to the fact that the person has little or no expertise in the area being discussed.